brushing. Does overbrushing damage your beard? All right. So we always talk about the effects of brushing, how it helps you evenly distribute the oil or the balm or butter through your hair when you use a natural hair brush like a boar's hair brush or a horsehair brush. Synthetic brushes don't give you that effect. And the other benefits help you train your hair and to lay down the direction you need to go. It helps you style your beard a little bit better, right? Let's talk about the effects of overbrushing your beard. Hair loss is normal, but let's not speed up the process by overbrushing your beard and causing damage to your hair fibers. Overbrushing actually stretches out your hair fibers and makes it appear thinner than it should, and also causes it to break off sooner than it would in the normal growth process. Also, using low quality products such as plastic combs or synthetic brushes also cause damage to your hair. So you want to use something more like a boar's hair brush, a horsehair brush. That both of those have natural hair fibers. And when it comes to combs, the sandalwood combs or the bamboo combs are the best combs to use as well. So you don't need to do 100 brush strokes on each side like Chicago One put it justice. Just spend a minute or two getting everything evenly distributed and your hair styled how you want. How often you brush depends on the style that you're going for and the weather outside. Because every man is different and so is every beard, maintaining facial hair is unique to every individual, so just adjust accordingly.